Ooh, good morning. It's about 3:45 right now. And we are just waking up because we have a plane to catch at 6:30 this morning. So we all tried to go to bed early last night. Man, none of us could fall asleep. I think it was 1 o'clock before most of us fell asleep, and it's now 3:30, 3:45. We're gonna be pretty tired today. We're pretty much packed. So, let's finish up, head out. You ready? Big day today? Huh? What's wrong? Oh, okay. Today is July 10th. It's 10 after 4 in the morning. We're just about ready. And God, I hope our cab is out there when we get out there. It's supposed to be there at 4:20. It's now 4:10. Oh man, I don't know. We confirmed it like 4 times, so I'm hoping everything's good. We'll see. It's about 18 after. I hear a car outside. Hopefully it's our cab. I'm impatient when I'm waiting. I'm just ready to go now. Ooh, we're here in the car. Slowing down.
Hi.
Do this one? Airport. 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 So much for it not being busy. We are checked in. Now, see if we can go find a lounge. But wait,
And he takes us at the airport and he's waiting here and eating some food.
yeah, so we got lounge access with our tickets. So we're hanging out in the lounge.
Mm-hmm.
And we're all tired, aren't we?
I'm not tired.
You're not?
No.
Are you sure?
No.
I think you are.
No, I'm not.
Okay. So about a 50-minute flight to Rome, and then an hour layover there, and then a 2-hour flight to Munich.
We're going on 2 planes.
Yeah. Sure.
Mm-hmm.
I love you.
Love you, Daddy.
All right, we're getting ready to get on board, or something. What is it?
Airplane funny.
Airplane's funny.
Like boogie, boogie, boogie.
Okay, wait. We are on board. Girls have iPads for their 30-minute flight.
Your bread position, keep your arm down with a blind up.
made it to Rome. About a half hour to get to our next plane. I think we have to go to A1. We're at A71.
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to the Airways flight to Munich.
We are on board, heading to Munich. Okay, we are in Munich. We are in Munich Airport, and we are at the baggage carousel waiting on our bags. Looks like we have a 45-minute cab to get into town. Everyone is absolutely exhausted. Travel days. Okay, it's been about 30 minutes since we landed, and we're still waiting at the baggage carousel. I have no clue. I'm just tired. I'm cranky. And Harper's a little cleaner.
I'm gonna cry.
She's a stinker. You're a little stinker.
I'm cry.
I don't think so.
I'm cry.
Okay. I think we got a good taxi. Very nice, thank you. Alright.
I play. Daddy, we're gonna get on a bump. And we have boosters.
Yeah,
I have a gun.
nice. Alright, we are in a van taxi. This is perfect. We'll be there.
Mommy, Harper should be
About
sitting
noon.
over here.
Lily. Okay, we made it here. Okay, so we're doing lockers right now, and it's 4 euros for 4 hours, so that's kind of annoying. But we need 3 of them. So Lindsay's going to get some more change right now, and we got some stuff in one locker now. Just need another locker. 12?
I get mine for you, Daddy. I get mine for
Should be open?
No,
Did you turn it or something?
no. It just said you that one. Watch out.
you. My
I wasn't carrying around.
Oh, yeah.
We're good? We don't need anything on this stuff? Okay, we just stopped at the hostel, or hotel, whatever it's called. And they do not have a room for us to check in now, which is not a surprise at all. So we're gonna go see if we can find a playground, let the girls play a little bit, and then we can check in again at 3. Yay. And then it's nap time. Ooh, that's cool. So what do you think so far, Lindsay?
It looks nice.
Different than Italy, that's for sure, isn't it?
Yep.
Oh, it is like 60 degrees out today too. It feels freaking amazing. And here's the park. Looks like they're playing some soccer or football.
I can't play soccer.
And we're gonna see if we can't find that playground. I think so, honey. So 30-minute cab from the airport to our Airbnb, metered, mind you, was how much, hon?
112 euros. I think it was euros, right?
112 euros.
Yeah.
I don't think it was Deutschmarks. So, yeah. That was a little steep. But the nice thing was, he had 2 booster seats and a full-blown infant car seat. So that was nice. We didn't have to use our travel ones.
We ended up naked in your bed.
Yeah, you think?
I gave you that,
It's hurting my butt.
everything we ever wanted. Ask what it's worth, give it a
drone
try.
shot.
But if we stay like this, then you know what? Then I don't wanna seize the moment. So let's do what it's worth, give it a try.
Please.
We can stay up late like if nothing matters. You can hold my hand when no one is around. That we both are waiting for something. We can wait until the feeling's gone. If you show me this, I'll give you that. Everything we ever wanted. And this is what it's worth, give it a try. But if we stay like this, then you know what? I don't wanna seize the moment. So let's do what it's worth, give it a try.
Okay, we have stopped at the Hofbrau. It's like a soccer field, and there's like a cookout thing going on, and there's beers, and it's amazing. It's really amazing. How are the fries?
I don't know. I haven't tried it there.
Okay, we just left the Hofbrau bar, and
That was fun trying to figure out.
well, they charged us €4 per beer, and then €1 deposit per beer. So we paid €10, and she was like, when you bring the cups back, you get €1 per beer back, €2. So we brought the cups back, and they're like, okay, thanks. Like, well, €2. And they're like, oh, all of a sudden, no English at all.
Yeah, I have no idea what we're talking about. So then I try to get my translation.
Ugh, what the hell? That's 2 videos in 2 weeks that I've had my GoPro just die in the middle of a conversation. Ugh, frustrating. Anyway, what happened was they ended up reluctantly giving us the €2 back. And it's kind of a shame that we even made an issue out of it. We didn't even mean to. We just thought that's what we were supposed to get back. And maybe there was some mistranslation, but then we felt uncomfortable ever going back to that bar again the entire time we were in Munich. And it was really fun sitting out there and letting the girls play on the playground. And we never went back because of that incident. So it's a little bit unfortunate. This is kind of where the video ends anyway. Okay, we finally got checked into the hotel. Everyone's tired. We took a little bit of a nap, but everyone's really tired and hungry and cranky. So I think we're gonna go get some food and call it a night for the night. And we'll be back tomorrow to explore the city of Munich. See you later.
Oh, but where I come from, there's only miles of broken roads, only love that'll never grow. It ends before it starts.